So there's not a Lolita fashion event today, but there is a matcha event today. So I think instead of doing the monthly minimalism vlog I was hoping to initially do, that's gonna be a mega vlog once I'm at where I wanna be. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the matcha event. It's at noon. I'm super excited. I've been working on losing a lot of weight recently. My doctor's been very happy with me, but on top of that, I think I might be able to fit into my dream dress today because of those measurements. So let's go see. I'm gonna try to wear it for the first time today. Alright, so I'm not yet in a full coordinate because I'm still getting ready to go out, but part of the coordinate thing is this Baby the Stars Shine Bright watch. I bought it last year, secondhand, and two instances of this in one day because it's two different characters. This is really cool. Unimpressed. Absolutely unimpressed. You'd think you'd be happy. Handed to me over here.
No.
It was a little bit too early in the first one here, so I'm just gonna hang out for a bit. I didn't explain what this event is, but it's a matcha workshop, and we'll go over the history and how to make matcha, so I'm really excited because I am a green tea fiend. The wind here was way too strong. I need to 3D print those sound directional covers for my camera. But the reason I didn't record any of the event at all was that there was only 5 of us, with 2 of them being instructors, and I would have felt really uncomfortable. If it was a much bigger group, I probably would have recorded like a little clip here and there, set up so the camera was aiming at me, but it just was not the space to do it. So I decided to try to be respectful of everyone else, and I didn't even bother asking and just enjoyed the event for what it was.
You're so cute. Yeah, I love it. Hey, pretty lady.
Oh, hey.
You look gorgeous today.
Thank you. So I had bought a small tea before the event had started, and then I drank the 16-ounce matcha there,
And they also gave us water so we could cleanse our palates. And I really have to go. I hope I can make it home in time.